Hello students and welcome to BA 131 Module 16. We've made it. This is the last module. This is the end of the semester. Here is the sequence for this module. You have the introduction, the video lecture. This is a reference I'll show you about placing accent marks. The final exam is here, and of course survey and the summary for Module 16. Remember that you also have the review for the final exam right here in Module 15. This is the introduction. Go ahead and read through this of what we have learned throughout this semester, what we are covering in this module. And an important reminder, you notice that this week, last week, were both light in terms of assignments because I want you to get caught up, if you need that, get caught up with your assignments so that they can be counted toward your final grade. The video lecture will be here. There's no PowerPoint for this module. And here is how to place accent marks and related special characters on PC. And if you're using a Mac, these are the ASCII codes or the codes the computer understands. Be sure to use accent marks accordingly because points will be deducted on the final exam if you are missing tildes or these special characters. The final exam is here. You have only one attempt and you have 3 hours to complete all 3 parts. You cannot start the final and then pause and come back later. Once you open the test, you have to complete it in one sitting. Again, you have up to 3 hours. You most certainly won't take as long, but you have all that time available. The 3 parts are here, and this is in the review that I gave you for Module 15. And again, this is a link referring you to that special characters resource I gave you. And go ahead and focus, concentrate, do your best. With everything you've done in this semester, you are ready for this. I believe in you, so you should believe in yourself as well. I know you will do great. This is a survey for the end of the course. It's not graded, but I would appreciate your participation to tell me how I can improve this course and how us instructors can improve our courses in general. And here's a summary of Module 16. This is what we have learned throughout the semester. Also, I want you to note here, make sure you submit any missing assignments. Be sure to complete your final exam by the due date. There are no extensions to this, and your final grades will be available after I submit them. The due date to do that is Thursday after the end of the course. And for your security, I am not able to share your grade with you or with anyone else. So if you email me asking me about your grade, I am not able to do that. So go ahead and check your records for that or the records office. And go ahead and read through this because from time to time, as an active community interpreter, I often have opportunities available for interpreting assignments. If you'd like to do that, go ahead and follow these instructions right here. And go ahead and read through the course reflection on what we have learned and how to continue developing your skills. And that is it for this class, BA 131. Thank you for your participation, your engagement, your positivity, and hope to see you in a future class in Santa Ana College or out in the community. Have a wonderful rest of your semester.